Hello, my name is Mariana Rojo, and today I will show you how to add fonts to your documents. Let's get started! So, how can I add these cool fonts to my documents? Well, I'm glad that you asked. Today I will show you in 4 simple steps how you can add cool fonts to your documents. Step number 1, click on the font toolbar. In order to do that, you have to click on a text box and then it will let you. Otherwise, it's not going to let you. Once you have clicked on that, you have a drop down that will let you click on the A+ More Fonts. And then you click on all the fonts that you want, which is step 3. Finally, step 4 is simply to click OK once that you have checked all the fonts that you want, and you get to keep them forever. And yes, friends, they stay in your account. So where can I use all my fancy new fonts? Well, the possibilities are endless. You can use them in Google Drawings, Google Slides, Google Docs, anywhere you want to use them, you can use them. So, and even if you want to use in Google Docs, and then you can download as a PDF. So now I will demonstrate it. Here we see Times New Roman because Times New Roman is a boring font. Let's turn this into cool fonts. And the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog is a sentence that has every letter in the alphabet so that you get to see how cool it looks. Ready? We clicked on the text box, and then we clicked on the font toolbar, then the A+ More Fonts, and then now you get to see all the pretty ones. Ooh la la! I like it. I like the Indian flower. These ones are all the ones I already clicked, but let me click on some new ones. Ooh, that Tico, that one looks cool. Ooh, animatic. For free, you guys. You guys must love this. Ooh, I like this one. Domain or domain. Ooh. So once, ooh, look at that one. I like that one. And we click OK. And now we highlight and we look for the ones that we just added, or it could be a new one, a one that you already have saved, a font that you already had saved. Ooh, look at this one, The Architect's Daughter. Isn't that one pretty? Oh yeah, I love it. And let's use this creepy one, The Butcher Man. Oh yeah, friends. This is how you turn your boring documents into very interesting, cool documents. So now you know how to add fonts in 4 simple steps. You click on the font toolbar on the A+ More Fonts. You click on the fonts you want, you click OK, and then you look for them. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.